Whoa, 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 whoa! What the f? Whoa, 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 whoa! What the f? What the f? What the f? Oh. What the f, dude? Holy sh! Hey! Okay, hold on.
Right?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know what
I'm good, bro, but I can't get up. Yeah, I'm test riding him. I'm about to buy the bike. Dude. Oh. Which one of y'all hit me?
That wasn't me. It was him down there, man.
Oh. Hold on, I don't want to get up yet.
Yeah, I wouldn't get up, dude.
I need to get off the road. I'm good though. I just don't want to move my leg.
I'm gonna move my car to block off this lane. You want to call 911?
No, no, no. Hey, I'm good. Don't call. Hey, don't call. Don't call. Don't call. Don't call. I'm sure. Dude. No, the ankle's fine.
I mean, dude.
Well, I don't know why he cut in front of me like that.
He just totally hit you, dude.
Oh, dude. Am I recording?
I don't know how to tell it.
Yeah. Like, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving and something's broken, you know?
You broke the leg or?
No, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving. Man, and I knew I should have worn my jacket. Now I got road rash. No, it's okay. Do you have insurance? What happened? Did you not see me? Why? I was in the lane.
No.
I was like this, just riding, and then you hit me.
I don't see you. I look near. You don't have a car. I do turn.
You have insurance?
I have insurance.
You have insurance?
Yeah.
Do you?
You have insurance?
Huh?
You have insurance?
I was test riding the bike, so yes, I have insurance.
I have insurance.
Yeah, I have insurance too.
Thank you, man. Thank you. You hit that truck, bro? Huh? You hit the truck? Hit the trailer. Yeah, he hit it. What happened? I think he ran in. He hit the trailer?
Yeah, he ran into the back of the trailer.
Bueno, con la CF Moto no podía andar por acá. ¡Oh! Se cayó Java. ¡Oh!
¿Otra vez, Ale?
¿Estás bien?
Sí. Para. No toque el pie.
Ponete allá por las dudas, por si viene alguno.
¿Está bien? Sí. ¿Está bien?
Levantar así que porque no quiero que por la duda que venga alguno.
Se cortó la cadera, me parece.
¿La cadera?
La cadena.
Pará que yo te ayudo. Levanta.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Qué tal estás? Disculpa que te moleste mientras conduces como si estuvieras solo. Eres una bellísima persona, un ser de luz. Tu madre debe de estar orgullosa.
Alright guys, see you later. You okay? What do you need? Fuck, dude. Are you okay? You want to call 911 or no? Just take a minute. No worry, he's good. Just take a minute. Thank you.
Ah, putain. Je suis désolé. Non, que ça a pilé. C'est vrai? Ouais. 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 Ah putain. Putain de... Ouais, je vais bien. Je sais pas.
Os caras raparam errado. Pode cá. Segura ela aqui pra não deitar. Não, bota o pé.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the?